If you are new here, what's up? My name is Alex. Go ahead, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on none of my videos. If you don't know about the title, we are doing a black girl latte makeup. I've seen it all on TikTok, all these latte makeup videos, which I feel like will be perfect for the fall because I love all the browns and tan colors. I'm so excited to do this video today. So let's get started. All right, let me secure my little hair back. First, we're gonna start with the brows. They're looking a little crusty today. I'm gonna go in the AHASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. Now I'm gonna go in with the AHASTASIA Brow Powder Duo in Ebony. I just like to add a little powder because I ain't got no eyebrows and I want my eyebrows to stay on. And I just feel like it gives that little blurry effect and it doesn't look too sharp. So now I'm gonna go in with the NYX brow glue, the brow glue in dark brown. And this just makes it look like I actually got some eyebrows, like thicker eyebrows. Just help those little hairs I got stick out. Sometimes I just like to put this on, let it dry a little bit, and then kind of flatten it out with something, with a brush or whatever. And it gives a perfect lemonade eyebrows. I'm gonna use a little bit of this NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the shade Espresso. Just a little bit. We're just playing with it today. It doesn't have to be perfect. And just brush it out a little bit. You know, your eyebrows. Just play with it. I just knew that one day I was gonna be a whole makeup guru, and then I was like, no. I used to start out kind of doing makeup videos on YouTube, and then like I felt like they weren't getting the most views, so I just stopped. And I made myself an excuse like, it takes too long anyway and blah blah blah. So your advice, it doesn't matter what the views say or what you think somebody will like, just do it because that's what you like to do. Do what you like to do, even if it has the least amount of views. Like if you like doing it, do it. I'm also thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm almost at 300 subscribers, so I'm thinking like when I hit 500 maybe I'm going to do a giveaway because I've been recently getting like some PR and stuff. Yeah, just let me know. Usually I carve under my brows. Should I carve them? I don't know, I just don't feel like doing it. I'm gonna do it. They don't look clean. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in this shade Medium Sand. I don't even know if this is like a good bright shade for me, but I feel like it looks good and I got it. It's kind of a neutral shade, kind of. As y'all can see, look at this. I got big. I don't know what happened. So y'all already know, I don't know last time I carved my eyebrows. Is this a chit chat get ready with me type thing? It's not getting ready with me though because I'm not going nowhere. I've been having like, I don't know what to call it, intervention with myself as far as content goes. Like, I kind of been comparing myself to other people, but not in a bad way. Like just seeing, I just been seeing how other people do their content and seeing what way I want to go with mine. Like I feel like in this world it's kind of hard to try to be different. The only way is to be yourself, but like it's like, how do you show yourself from everybody else? You can have the same interests and hobbies as other people, you can have the same humor as other people, whatever, but like what makes you different? I don't think anybody has about the same accent as me. The only person that like looks like me is anybody that's related to me. And I've just been thinking about like different things, like different creators like Monet, Alicia Marie. I'm just naming random people because I can't think of names right now, okay? Like some people, they talk in their videos, they show like mental health in their videos. Some people, they just sit down and just do their makeup and just talk. Some people, they like do reviews and everything, and I'm just like thinking, what do I want to do? I feel like in a weird way though that I'm good at talking, but it's like, what do I talk about? What do y'all want me to talk about? I feel like I'm a good teacher. I'm good at showing people how to do things. I'm just gonna put the rest of this on my hand on my lid because I don't want to waste product. I'm not gonna set this. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this it's like a liquid eyeshadow. I'm not gonna show it because I cannot show it yet, but I will be making a video on it at some point. I need a brush for it though, but it's a cute brown color. I feel like low-key you can use this as a little brow pomade too, but I'm gonna use this on my lid. Wow. I tried it on my hand. It was like stuck on my hand. It's like a perfect matte shadow. I could have did it without the concealer, but I already had concealer on my hand, and yeah, we're just gonna go straight in with it. Look at that matte. I think I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on top. I don't know if I just want to go fully matte or add a little glitter. What do y'all think? What will I go with? I'm gonna grab another brush and just try to blend that out because it's like liquidy. This reminds me of like when people was trying to do their full face with just liquid lipsticks. This is what this reminds me of. This is such a cool thing to use. I wish I could show you what it is, but I can't. Just know it's good, okay? I think I'm gonna go for something a little shimmery. I'm gonna use this Morphe palette. Ooh, which one are we gonna use? Should we do that? Should we do that? I don't know. This is like a cooler brown shade, so I don't want to do nothing warm. That is dark. They kind of look the same. I think I'm gonna go with the first one. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take this old Urban Decay palette and use this shade Knockout. Oh my gosh, I feel like my younger self, like my inner child is like crying a little bit. I'm gonna just use her to smooth out the edges. This is supposed to be a little natural. I went kind of strong into it. I kind of did. It's okay. I'm gonna just use this brush for this. I just want a little shimmer. I do not want too much. Are people nowadays just doing natural makeup because they don't know how to? Or are they actually choosing to? That's the real question. Because when I was like 14-ish, 15, 16, there was people giving out makeup tutorials, like full on makeup tutorials, foundation and everything. And I used to love watching. But now, I don't know if people are still doing that. I just don't watch them now. But I just see a lot of people do little cute makeup tutorials and they're natural. I'm gonna come back to the eyes later. Let's move to the face. So for the primer, should I use the e.l.f. Power Grip or should I use the Milk? This is the dupe for this. So, but I feel like this stuff is like more sticky. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use my Too Faced. This is like the second one I had because I had one before and then I had this one. First I'm gonna go in my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the shade 5.5 Tan. Love this stuff. Sometimes I like to just use this by itself. So good. Really could leave your face just like this, but we're going to take it further. I have nowhere to go. I'm gonna take some cute pictures and then I'm going to be watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. Let me know what y'all think about that. I'm on like episode 2. Now I'm gonna go in the NYX. It's a blurring tint foundation in the shade 12 Medium Dark. I tried this before. My first impression, it looks like it was kind of like coming off. And I don't know how I felt about that, but I'm gonna give her a second chance. I don't know why I grabbed this brush. She is matte and blurry. Like I said, why did I grab this brush? I never tried it on with the Flawless Filter. I just had it on by itself. And I'm gonna just do a little wear test to see if it like comes off again like that, to see. I'm just spraying a little Charlotte Tilbury on top. Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna use the Merit the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Bisque. Also, I'm gonna add that e.l.f. concealer again, just a little bit. I'm gonna kind of blend the Merit out with this brush first, just because it's like a little stick thing. I'm gonna blend the rest out with my beauty blender. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I ain't adding enough. I used to add way more concealer, but I think I kind of let TikTok influence me and I wear less. I'm just gonna set this real quick with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey. Just tap it on my hand. My brain is not working right now because usually I put on my bronzer and blush first and then do the eyes. It don't really matter, but the brain cells are gone today. So I'm gonna just go in with my bronzing stick from Rare Beauty, the shade Full of Life. I'm like tapping but pulling it as I go a little bit, kind of pulling it back this way. And now I'm gonna use this like angle brush. Kind of looks like that brush, like that, like it's pinched. That's how I explain it, like you pinching it, that's what it looks like. And it's angled, and I'm gonna use that for my nose. All the brushes that are like this are all my Amazon storefront, so make sure you check them out. There's some good brushes. I'm gonna set my face that I put foundation on, like in between, with my Fit Me foundation in 330. I'm gonna use my other angle brush and I'm gonna take this True Complexion contour palette in dark to deep. That's what she wrote. I'm gonna use the sculpt to set out the bronzer a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the contour just to darken it up a little bit, give that little chocolatey vibe. Like literally you don't even need a lot, like at all. This stuff works so good, so pigmented. I don't want to use too much because she's gonna come out looking harsh. I'm gonna just use this little brush to add the contour and then blend it out with the other brush. Look, I'm barely tapping it. Look at it. That's all I need right there. That's why I use the little brush, because if I use this it would have added too much. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and use this highlighter. I never used it before, so I want to try it out. She cute, she cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face down. I'm gonna also set my face with the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. It's like so matte, I have to like tilt into the light just to read what it says. You just can't see it. I'm looking cute on camera right now. I'm gonna go back in with that brown liquid shade and I'm gonna put it at the bottom. I cannot wait to show you what this is because it's like perfect like for my under eyes. Instead of like putting powder under my eyes and I feel like it's getting in my eye, I'm gonna go and buy like all the rest of them. Well, depending on what the shades are, I'm just gonna buy all of them anyway. Now for the lashes, I could put on some lashes, but I'm not going to. So the two mascaras I'm gonna use is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara in After Midnight and the Rare Beauty Mascara in Black. I seen a trick like this. I don't know why I haven't said anything about it yet, but first, let me show you. You just go in with the Ilia first. And then take a volumizing like mascara, which Rare Beauty is to me, kind of one of those like microfiber mascaras, and then just put it on the end. So for the last part, we're gonna do the lips. It's gonna be a tiny lip combo. First, I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil because it's already brown, or if you have a brown lip liner, you do that. I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna take my Summer Fridays lip butter balm first in the shade Vanilla Beige. Well, I'm gonna go in with the Merit lip what's it called? Shade Sleek Glee. kind of proud of myself. I did this look. It's the perfect black girl latte makeup look. Like, it's giving chocolate, it's giving mocha, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Comment below everything that I said, to comment below too if you watched the whole video. Just let me know if you love when I do these makeup videos, because I like doing this and I like talk to you guys. It feels like I'm on the phone with you. And yeah, make sure you follow my socials. Make sure you look at my Amazon storefront. Everything is linked in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Excited. I'm finna make some TikToks.
I need you right about now. I need you right about